In today's video, I'm going to teach you sort by more than one column in Power BI. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can follow along and get results right away. First, let's talk about the slicer you already have on your report. A slicer is a visual that lets you filter your data interactively. To bring more than one column into play, select your existing slicer, then add the additional fields you care about. You can drag those fields into the slicer from the Fields pane, or if your slicer is already showing a list with checkboxes, simply select the boxes that represent the columns or categories you want included. By doing that, you're telling Power BI to use those selections to shape what appears in your visuals. As your data narrows based on those combined selections, your charts and tables will automatically refresh and display content in a way that reflects multiple columns at once. If your single slicer is starting to feel crowded or confusing, you don't have to cram everything into one place. You can add a new slicer and dedicate it to another column. For example, keep one slicer focused on a product category and create a second slicer for region or time. Splitting them up makes it easier to see what you're controlling, and it keeps your report cleaner and more intuitive. Every slicer you add works together with the others. That means each additional slicer contributes its filter to the visuals on your page, and the visuals will show only the data that passes through all active slicers. As you make selections across one or more slicers, Power BI applies those filters to your visuals in real time. Your tables and charts will reflect the intersection of your choices, and the order you see will follow the visual's current sort settings while respecting the filtered context you created. If you ever need more space, consider switching a slicer to a drop-down style. And if you want to fine-tune a long list, use the slicer's search box to find values quickly. You can clear a slicer when you want to see everything again and start fresh. And there you go. Whether you enrich your current slicer with more fields or add separate slicers to keep things tidy, the result is the same. Multiple columns working together to refine what your visuals show. That's all you need to bring multi-column control to your Power BI report.